Hey, this is Kate from Schafer Chevrolet here to show you the video of this 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500. Right on the front bumper, it does look like it bumped into something there, as well as right down there. Do got some rock chips right on the front of the hood. Looking up underneath the hood. Driver's side exterior is in good condition. It has got a couple of scratches, a few touch-up spots. Definitely notorious for a work truck. A lot of life left in that tire. Looking up underneath the driver's side. Does look like maybe right there where scratches have been touched up. In the front driver interior, there's a cloth interior, has been well maintained. Vehicle does have just under 62,320 miles. Tailgate of the vehicle, it is in good condition. Definitely looks like the bed was used as a bed. Probably got some stuff thrown in the back end of it. Driver passenger side exterior is in good condition as well. Again, more of the same. Got some scratches throughout on the box of the vehicle, probably just from people sliding things around, walking by it. You do got a vinyl floor in the interior as well, so very easy to clean up. Got some scratches throughout there. Do got a little bit of touch-ups, or I'm sorry, not touch-up spot, a little bit of flaking going on, bubbling right above the windshield. A lot of life left in that tire. Overall, for the mileage and the year of the vehicle, it is in great condition. Again, this was a video of this 2013 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching.